Keurig pods, original blend, some ranch, got some waffle bowl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for my daughter's birthday. So I used coconut oil, had some combs. I used this olive oil girly that we found at Food Line that was on closeout for $4.75. And I am using some Edges cream. So just going to take it out, start back over. Today's not hair wash day, but it's time to actually do her hair. So I thought that I would create a cute little birthday hairstyle. So here we go. Silly girl. So I'm using coconut oil. This, it's a hair pudding. It's actually purple. So I'm just greasing her scalp with olive oil. So as you can see here, I'm just once again taking the scalp and greasing it with coconut oil and using smooth edges for the edges to be able to grab everything. And I'm using the hair pudding towards the end to make it better to do the twist. So as part of the birthday celebration, I thought it'd be cute to do the rainbow for the barrette at the top. So I sectioned it into 7 parts using pink, and then I braided the front. So continue to watch and you'll see the outcome of this hairstyle. I really do like it, and I'm glad that this hairstyle will be able to last for a week. It only took me about 30 to 45 minutes to complete this hairstyle, and I'm glad that it is a protective hairstyle because we don't want her hair to break off or get damaged. So if you are a new subscriber here, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, welcome as well. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for subscribing. And if you are a new subscriber, comment down below what are some videos you'd like to see me do, or what videos do